Are you looking for the best George Foreman grill? Here we will break down the top 4 George Foreman grills on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. George Foreman GR144 Grill for large families. If you have a large number of people that you want to cook for, but you don't have enough space for a big grill, then this might be a good option for you. It doesn't come with a stand, so this is strictly a countertop grill, but it is still quite large. Though it can't cook for 15 people at one time, it should be more than large enough for a big family, and can make up to 9 servings simultaneously. Another big benefit to this grill being a bit smaller in size is the fact that it is quite lightweight. This helps to make it a good option for anyone that has a lot of cabinet space, and doesn't want to keep their grill out all of the time. Even if you put this grill into a top or bottom cabinet, you shouldn't have too much trouble getting it out to use without any help. There are a few things to keep in with this particular grill, however. One of the biggest is the fact that grease tends to pull at the back of the grill near the hinge. This can be corrected by placing a board under the grill to increase the slope. Something that helps with the overall value of this grill is the fact that it can be used for more than just meats and vegetables. It actually doubles as a panini press. It can be used to create delicious sandwiches, making it all that more of a useful tool in the kitchen. At number 2. George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill and panini press. The George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill with removable plates makes it easy to prepare healthy meals. It comes with a 60-inch removable grill plate that can be used for cooking many dishes in a single instance. It applies heat to both sides of your food for faster cooking time. It also works to eliminate up to 42% of fat as you cook. The bottom plate is sloped and designed to move grease away from your food as it cooks. The grease is channeled into the included drip pan for easy cleanup and removal. The plates are designed in a way that ensures your food is evenly heated, so there is no need to move it around as it cooks. It also comes with a spatula designed specifically for the grill plates. At number 3. George Foreman 9-serving classic plate electric grill. This is the best grill for cooking for large groups of people. This will come in handy when making food for a party or even for everyday use. This grill can cook up large, 9 portions at once, so cooking large batches will become a piece of cake. Besides this, it's easy to understand and use. The cleanup takes little time, as the removable plates are dishwasher safe, and the drip tray helps with removing fat and making your grilled meat as lean as possible. At number 4. George Foreman 5-serving grill. This grill by George Foreman can fit 5 servings of everyone's favorites at one go. Be it a burger or steak, it got you covered. Like most George Foreman grills, this one has removable plates as well. But what this also has is a premium ceramic coating, free of PTFE and PFOA. Cleaning grills just got twice as much easier. Along with all its unique features, it includes the patented aspects of all George Foreman grills. The slanted slope and drip tray. These, as you know by now, make your food fat-free. Besides, you know a company has complete trust in its products when they give you a warranty of 3 years. Hence, you can close your eyes and put your belief in this one.